Hey, what's going on, world? It's your nutritional wellness guy, me, Chef D, and I'm back with another Nutri-tip. Today, it's all about the sweet potato. Now, this is a disclaimer, public service announcement, calling on moms and dads, grandmas and grandpas, aunties and uncles. This is not an attack against your sweet potato pie. I love your sweet potato pie, but today it ain't about your sweet potato pie. It's about your pre-SP pie, which is pre-sweet potato pie. And we're gonna cover the nutrients of the sweet potato before we add flaky buttery crust, cinnamon, nutmeg, some sugar. Yeah, anywho. Before we do all of that, we're gonna talk about the benefits of the sweet potato. Now, first and foremost, sweet potatoes have a good source of beta carotene, which is good old-fashioned vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. These are also good, or compared to white potatoes, they fare very well on the GI or glycemic index, which yields a more beneficial fiber. Now add that to the fact that it is anti-inflammatory properties and also has antioxidants, which have been known to help improve eyesight, immune system, and they've been known to be a pretty good source of energy. Yikes! Sweet potatoes, see, that wasn't so bad. Sweet potatoes, another healthy-ish health hack approved. And remember, health is wealth, and I'm just here to make sure you're getting paid. Until next time, yum on. We need to get this in the pie though.